Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. How to remove rust stains from clothes. Precautions before treating rust stains. Before attempting to remove rust stains, there are a few precautions you should consider. 1. Act quickly. The longer a rust stain stays on the fabric, the more difficult it becomes to remove. As soon as you notice a rust stain, try to treat it promptly to increase the chances of complete removal. 2. Read care labels. Check the care label of the stained garment to ensure it can handle the treatment method you intend to use. Some fabrics may be delicate or require special care, so it's essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions. 3. Test on hidden area. Before applying any cleaning solution, test it on a small, inconspicuous area of the fabric to ensure it won't cause discoloration or damage. 4. Work from the inside out. When treating rust stains, work from the inside of the fabric to push the stain outwards. This prevents the stain from spreading to unaffected areas. 5. Avoid heat. Heat can set rust stains, making them more challenging to remove. Avoid using hot water or placing stained clothing in direct sunlight until the stain is entirely gone. Method 1. Lemon juice and salt. Lemon juice and salt are a natural and effective combination for tackling rust stains. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which can help break down the iron oxide in the rust, while salt acts as an abrasive to lift the stain from the fabric. Materials needed: fresh lemons or bottled lemon juice, table salt, an old toothbrush. Instructions: 1. Squeeze fresh lemon juice or use bottled lemon juice into a bowl. 2. Add an ample amount of table salt to create a paste-like consistency. 3. Lay the stained fabric on a flat surface and spread the lemon salt paste directly onto the rust stain. 4. Gently scrub the stained area using an old toothbrush in a circular motion. Be cautious not to damage the fabric fibers. 5. Let the lemon salt paste sit on the stain for about 15 to 30 minutes. 6. Rinse the fabric with cold water to remove the paste and check if the stain is completely gone. If necessary, repeat the process. Method 2. White vinegar. White vinegar is another natural and popular remedy for rust stain removal. Its acidic properties work effectively in breaking down the rust and making it easier to remove from fabric. Materials needed: white vinegar, an old toothbrush. Instructions: 1. Pour some white vinegar into a bowl, ensuring there's enough to cover the rust stain. 2. Place the stained fabric in the bowl, allowing the rust stain to soak in the vinegar for about 1 to 3 hours. You can also use a cloth soaked in vinegar if the entire garment cannot be submerged. 3. Once the stain has loosened, use an old toothbrush to gently scrub the area and help lift the rust. 4. Rinse the fabric thoroughly with cold water to remove the vinegar and rust residue. 5. If the stain remains, repeat the process until it disappears. Method 3. Commercial rust removers. If the natural methods don't yield satisfactory results, commercial rust removers can be an excellent option. These products are specifically designed to break down rust stains and are readily available at most supermarkets and hardware stores. Materials needed: commercial rust remover. Read and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Gloves, protective eyewear, a well-ventilated area. Instructions: 1. Read the instructions provided on the commercial rust remover carefully. 2. Put on protective gloves and eyewear to avoid direct contact with the product. 3. Apply the rust remover directly to the stained area, ensuring it is well saturated. 4. Allow the product to sit for the recommended duration specified in the instructions. 5. Thoroughly rinse the fabric with cold water after the recommended time. 6. Check if the rust stain has disappeared. If not, repeat the process or try another method. Method 4, cream of tartar and hydrogen peroxide. Cream of tartar, also known as potassium bitartrate, when combined with hydrogen peroxide, creates a powerful rust stain removal solution. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a natural bleaching agent that aids in lifting the stain, while cream of tartar enhances the effectiveness of the mixture. Materials needed: cream of tartar, hydrogen peroxide, 3% concentration, a bowl, an old toothbrush. Instructions. 1. In a bowl, mix a small amount of cream of tartar with enough hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. 2. Apply the paste directly onto the rust stain using an old toothbrush. 3. Allow the mixture to sit on the stain for about 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Gently scrub the stained area with the toothbrush, being careful not to damage the fabric. 5. Rinse the fabric thoroughly with cold water to remove the paste and check if the stain is gone. 6. If necessary, repeat the process until the rust stain is completely removed. Method 5, baking soda and water. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a gentle yet effective option for removing rust stains from clothes. When mixed with water, baking soda forms a paste that can help break down the rust particles. Materials needed: baking soda, water, a bowl, an old toothbrush. Instructions. 1. In a bowl, mix baking soda with enough water to create a thick paste. 2. Apply the baking soda paste directly onto the rust stain. 3. Use an old toothbrush to gently scrub the stained area in a circular motion. 4. Let the paste sit on the stain for about 15 minutes. 5. Rinse the fabric thoroughly with cold water to remove the paste and check if the stain is gone. 6. Repeat the process if needed to completely remove the rust stain. Method 6, Ascorbic acid, vitamin C, solution. Ascorbic acid, commonly known as vitamin C, is a mild acid that can help dissolve rust stains from clothing. It's a gentle alternative to stronger acidic solutions like lemon juice or vinegar. Materials needed: ascorbic acid powder or crushed vitamin C tablets, water, a bowl. Instructions. 1. In a bowl, mix a small amount of ascorbic acid powder or crushed vitamin C tablets with enough water to create a paste. 2. Apply the paste directly onto the rust stain on the fabric. 3. Let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the severity of the stain. 4. Rinse the fabric thoroughly with cold water to remove the paste and check if the stain is gone. 5. If the stain persists, repeat the process until the rust stain is fully removed. Method 7, commercial stain pretreatment. If you prefer a hassle-free solution, consider using a commercial stain pretreatment product. These products are specially formulated to tackle various types of stains, including rust stains. Materials needed: commercial stain pretreatment product, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Instructions. 1. Read and follow the instructions provided on the commercial stain pretreatment product. 2. Apply the product directly to the rust stain on the fabric. 3. Let it sit for the recommended duration specified in the instructions. 4. Thoroughly rinse the fabric with cold water to remove the pretreatment product. 5. Check if the rust stain has disappeared. If not, repeat the process or try another method. Method 8, rust removal from delicate fabrics. Delicate fabrics, such as silk or wool, require special care when removing rust stains. Harsh chemicals or abrasive methods can damage these fabrics. Here's a gentle method suitable for delicate fabrics. Materials needed: lemon juice, table salt, white vinegar, water, an old toothbrush. Instructions. 1. Mix equal parts lemon juice and table salt to create a paste. 2. Gently rub the paste onto the rust stain using an old toothbrush. 3. Rinse the fabric thoroughly with cold water. 4. If the stain remains, create a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar. 5. Dab the stained area with the vinegar water mixture using a clean cloth or sponge. 6. Rinse the fabric again with cold water to remove the vinegar solution.